Have an answer from the U.S. Supreme Court about what map Louisiana will use to determine who represents you in Congress. The highest court ordered Louisiana to hold this year's elections using the map approved by the state lawmakers in January. That created that second majority black district.
And that's despite the lower court ruling that said the map was illegal gerrymandering. Nicole Killian reports.
In the heart of Louisiana Bayou country, a battle for political power in a state where African Americans make up a third of the population.
33% of the state.
Yeah, that's a lot.
But one representative.
One representative.
Michael McClanahan heads the Louisiana NAACP, which fought for the creation of a second majority black district.
We all want good roads, good health care, good education.
The new state-drawn district stretches from Baton Rouge to Shreveport and could impact Republican Garrett Graves' seat.
There needs to be a map before folks can determine if folks would lose their seats or not.
It was contested by a group of non-black voters who argued in a filing to the Supreme Court this week that the map is morally repugnant and a brutal racial gerrymander. State Representative Mike Johnson opposed the new boundaries.
Should the district be drawn based on race or not?
I think it needs to be drawn based upon what the law is.
Louisiana was one of at least 8 states with race-based redistricting litigation.
This is really about equalizing voting power.
Voters who live around the new district say representation matters.
And this fight, since its inception, has been about more folks that look like me representing me in certain political settings. And that's something that we've never had in this state.
We're not in the 60s anymore. It's 2024.
Being able to be a part of what our ancestors fought for is monumental to me.
3 of the liberal justices on the court dissented, arguing the case was too close to the election.
But Louisiana's Secretary of State and Attorney General are praising the ruling and say it will allow them to prepare for the fall election in a safe and secure manner. The Attorney General issued a statement moments after saying, "We will continue to defend the law and are grateful the Supreme Court granted the stay, which will ensure we have a stable election season."
Congressman Troy Carter also released a statement saying in part tonight's Supreme Court decision is a pivotal moment for justice in Louisiana and beyond.